Today what I'm gonna do, the whole back end is clean. I'm gonna be taking out the front seats, taking out the center console, which just pops right up from some clips, and taking off these sill panels. And I'm just gonna be cleaning up as much as possible because there's like spilled stuff in there. I want to try and take out this cover right here and just clean up as much as possible because in the morning, the camera just turned off just suddenly. But yeah, but in the morning with that morning you know, moisture, the cold air right here, it just smells really bad. It smells like dirty feet, food, and air freshener all mixed combined. So it's pretty disgusting. So I kind of want to just get this over with and work on this half. Ever since I cleaned the whole floor back here, it smelled like probably 80% good. So let me get started. And yeah, all right guys, so here's already, man, is the lens dirty? No. So here's already some filth. This is like a human DNA, and that says B something. I think a number 310 830. Yeah, all right there, 310 830 70 99. So yeah, and then I kept staring at this. This is all pretty dang disgusting. Underneath here doesn't look too bad. Yeah, a little bit rusty right there. I seen that the last time, but I kind of want to just take this mat out and wash it for sure and vacuum everything out. I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing. All right, well, let me get that seat out in the center console. Well, looks like this wasn't even clipped down. There was no clips in there. Yeah, no clips at all. Gotta get those. I guess they clip in right there, and there's two little hooks right here. All right guys, so I found out where the majority of the smell is coming from, and it's coming from there. There were some coins in there, and yeah, that's pretty disgusting. I think that's a nail, like a prosthetic nail or something. But yeah, that's pretty dang grimy. That's the reason why I'm wearing gloves, because all this just smells so bad. So yeah, so let me get this out, these panels, and hopefully on these two, the kick panels on both sides, and hopefully I could just rip this thing out so I could hose it down quick. That right there. So there's a clip right here. Let me try and get that clip out. All right, so pretty interesting clip. You just have to push it in and pops right out. Pretty cool. I'm using this as like a little storage bin for everything. Sweet. I could clean this up. I'm just gonna hose this down quick. So I have about another probably hour before I have to take a break. My back is already giving out, and I haven't even started. I have all this change right here. Probably put that change there. I found like $8 in quarters. Thing's insane. Okay, right there. Hey, you could see how clean it is right here compared to this. So This is gonna be a huge difference. I don't know what that is in there, but yeah, I think this car was in a flood. Just based off of this, like, what is this? It's literally dirt. It's not really sandy, it's more like dirt up in the front. All right, right there, look at that. Crazy. All right, guys, so I found where the smell is coming from. It's smelling from this sound deadening. This is what it is. Fortunately, it's not blood or anything like decaying, but I really believe it could be some type of just trying to think, maybe soup or broth or something that went in there. It doesn't smell like urine or anything, but it just has like a more rotting smell. So yeah, trying to get this out. But that speaker, man, that speaker is in there. It's solid. I already took out 2 10s and there's no budge, but I'm gonna still work at this and try and clean this as best as possible. But I definitely want to take this mat out to clean it and hose it off. All right, guys, so before tackling this, I'm gonna be cleaning this because I kind of want to have this ready to go by the time I'm done with that. Look at this. Literally like a wad of hair. Freaking disgusting. Look at this mat right here. I feel so disgusted. I don't know who owned this thing, but I'm just glad that I'm saving it now and cleaning it, disinfecting it. All right, let me take off that sound deadening on the bottom, and then I'm gonna spray this. All right, so this stuff is like turning into like soup, and that bottom sound deadening, I took it off, and that's literally like a 15-pound weight saving right there over just a mat. So, and it was stained with that foam all over it. Just got rid of it. Looks so much cleaner now. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna agitate it and clean it again. All right, guys, so with the drill brush, I got it as clean as possible. It's still kind of like brown in some areas, but I think those are just stains. So Okay, right there, I kind of missed it a little bit, but I'll end up going back over it once more, but it's a huge difference. I'm just gonna let this dry out, and yeah, should be good. Super sweet. I thought I was gonna have to fight this, wearing double glove by the way, but I just peeled it right up and it came off nicely. I got the mat over there in the sun, so let me pick up more trash, and then I'm going to go to that side, pick up more trash in that mat. Actually, I'm gonna get that mat right now, but so far so good. Everything is looking excellent. All right guys, so I just cleaned the seat rails right now. Didn't get it before, but these things were absolutely thrashed. So no more odor and no more filth. And this clip was actually kind of mangled and everything. It looked like somebody just reached in there and they tore this and they broke the plastic, but I got the clip and everything fastened nicely. So I just got to do something with this, but yeah, looking pretty good. And I'm just gonna get a little bit right here, and then I already did this side. It's looking very nice, but I am gonna end up washing these seats completely, but I do have to drive home. So yeah, so this, it looks like this goes in back of here and it might be busted, but I'll eventually get this back into place. But gonna definitely clean all in there right now. And just like that, looking a lot better. Okay, so just got done with this side. Looks pretty good. This is with degreaser and bleach. Next side is that side, and that one's not gonna be as easy, but yeah. And I finally found out what that stuff is. It's some type of maple syrup, because supposedly the previous lady, the granny that had this prior to me, she was a restaurant owner, and yeah, but I really hope I never eat at that place ever, because the way this is, imagine what the food is like. But yeah, so next is to go over there, double glove, and get ready to reinstall everything. I still gotta clean this, empty it and clean it, and gotta find some clips. But yeah, can't wait to put this back together. Everything is clean, even that ducting is coming together nicely. Next is gonna be the dash, but that's gonna be pretty easy. But yeah, it's freaking cool. There's an actual drain plug right here. Just gonna get as much as this, stay away from that harness, and try and get this stuff out of here, because this is the last corner. This is fresh water. I don't really have to worry about that harness as long as I'm not getting up in there or right there, that module computer, I'm assuming. So if this was salt water, yeah, you don't want that next to copper wires. And then I'm also putting bleach, because I did see something that kind of resembled blood, like actual blood. All right, that's good. All right, so let me get to work on this part. Oh crap, it's actually moving to that side. That's freaking disgusting. But yeah, let me get this. All right guys, so finally finished. Got that side, got this side. It's still a little bit of that syrup left and kind of filthy right here, but honestly I am drained and all this is bleached and everything, and I'm still gonna go over all this stuff with a quick rag and bleach and leave it. But yeah, no more odor. Pretty glad. I had to pick up this harness right here. Gonna put it back down like that, and the mess is gonna go right over that. But I'm gonna wait till this dries up mostly and then go over it again just to get any residual stuff that comes out. But this is as good as it's gonna get. Yeah, so gotta put this speaker back and put those 10s, man, a lot of little things. But yeah, that's my last piece, the center console and this piece, and I'm done with the actual plastics. But yeah, so I'll come back when everything is complete, because it's just basically the opposite of tearing it down. Yeah. All right, so first step is getting the ducting, the mat. Gonna put the sub, that trim piece, center console, seats, and then probably these last, the kick panels. Pretty straightforward. But yeah, pretty annoying process going through all this, because usually it's only like light dust, but this thing was filthy as hell. All right, so nice fresh mat. This is like a rubber TPU or some type of silicone or something. It heated up nicely in the sun, dried up, and even the sponge on the inside. So yeah, so that's looking freaking clean. Man, finally, fresh mornings. No more that morning dew with all that smell. But yeah, door sill panels back, kick panels back, subwoofers back, and yeah, the only thing I'm missing is the drain plug at the bottom right here. Hopefully I can get that some other day. I'll probably have to if I don't find it, I'll pull it. But yeah, at the junkyard, but I can't find it anywhere, so kind of sucks. So yeah, so that kind of sucks. Gonna get back onto cleaning this up. I have this soaking right there. That thing's has sludge, toxic sludge. But yeah, all right guys, so I'm almost done putting the interior in. Everything was so disgusting, even the bolts were disgusting, and I washed those and scrubbed them one by one. That's how detailed I got, just because I didn't want no filth. But yeah, so everything's looking pretty dang good.